Well, let me say what I think has been proven. The things I've heard, the testimony, the video I observed, I'm convinced that he was involved in at least 2 cases of assault and battery against women. I'm convinced that, yes, he facilitated or was an accessory and perhaps an accomplice to the explosion in the car. And to that extent, I'd have to give him a couple or a few years. And on the multiple assault and batteries against women, I'd have to give him a few more on that. If you want to sum it up, if it were a state crime, the Judge Mathis has observed the evidence and the testimony and the transcripts, what would I give him, 5 to 10?
Which is not letting him off on anything.
Not at all.
That's a tough sentence, in my opinion.
I agree.
I've seen a lot of reports online saying how Diddy should just be let free.
I think on the RICO charge and the federal charges, I am only convinced that he engaged in interstate transportation of prostitutes. And yes, that's a federal crime, a very low-level federal crime in which he would be guilty of and sentenced to less than 1 year. On the other hand, you got some state crimes, and the statute of limitation has expired, and that's why they aren't charging him in state court.